attached a new light to the ceiling, but I think I screwed it up. Hey everybody, Manning here. So, let me explain why that joke is funny. I said I attached a new light to the ceiling, but I think I screwed it up. Now, in English, to screw something up means to make a mistake, like, oh no, I screwed up my homework. But when you install a light, you also need to actually screw it in with a screwdriver. So the joke plays with the two meanings of screw. One means attached to something, the other means to mess something up or make a mistake. That's what makes it a pun. Two meanings, one sentence, one classic dad joke. Now it's your turn. Can you think of your own pun using the word light or break? See you soon. Thanks for your comments.